It's so big, and even I have had trouble swallowing this. Did you know there's a right and a wrong way to cut your pills? That's right, I'm going to tell you about that today, and also I'm going to demonstrate that, by the way. I'm also going to tell you which pills you can cut and which you can't. Guys, I'm Dr. Jen Caudle, practicing family physician, on-air health expert, and video creator. First thing you need, what is this? It's a pill cutter. In order to properly cut your pills, to make sure that it's accurate and it's the best and safest way possible, you need to use a pill cutter. So let me show you how to cut your pills using a pill cutter. What you see here is there's a little bit of a V. This is where you actually put the pill in. And then here you got to be very careful because that's actually the blade that cuts it. What you're going to do is I'm going to demonstrate this, but you'll put the pill right here and then you'll bring the pill cutter down to cut the pill, okay? So here's a much smaller pill. You can see that it's scored as well. What you do is you take it and you put it in, okay? You basically kind of fit it down. And sometimes you just may have to rejigger it so it gets in the right place. Okay, so you see how you got it there and it's in the middle of the V. What you do is you bring the blade down and you close it just like that. You hear that click. And as you open it up, there you go. You see the pill is in 2 pieces. This is basically how you cut a pill in half. The pill that I put in, it was the smaller one. I put it in the scored side up. When I say scored, that is that little line right there. You want to have that up so that the blade goes right down that score and helps to cut the pill in half. That's super important. What are some reasons why you may want to cut the pill? Well, it might be too big, okay, like this horse pill. You may need a dose that requires you to cut a pill, or it might be for cost-saving reasons. The first thing I'm going to say is that your doctor needs to give the okay for you to cut any of your pills. This goes without saying. This is an absolute, a definite, because not all pills can and should be cut. You have to ask your doctor before you take it upon yourself to cut your pills. All right, so which pills can we cut? I know you know that I just said to check with your doctor, so that's the first thing you really got to do. But the other thing is that the FDA on the package insert of the prescriber's information for many pills will actually say whether you can cut the pills or crush them or whatever or not. So keep that in mind, the actual approved FDA information, the pill information. The other thing is if a pill is scored like this, like it's got that little line, it often means that you're able to cut it. Now, whether you should or not, you have to still check with your doctor. So just because it has a score line does not mean that you can go ahead and just cut it. You still got to check with your doctor. Now, which pills should you not cut? And this is not an all-inclusive list, right? But this is just a few things. Pills that have a certain coating on them are really not meant to be cut, okay? Your doctor or pharmacist can talk with you more about that. Those pills that are extended release pills, I wouldn't go ahead and cut those. And again, talk with your doctor. Capsules, right? And that's not going to work in a pill cutter, this pill cutter, or many of them, or any of them really. You shouldn't be pill cutting capsules, okay? And then other pills that maybe you can't even put in here, maybe they don't have the right shape, or you can't cut them evenly, right? So if a pill cannot be cut evenly in the pill cutter, that's also one that you probably shouldn't cut. Once again, your doctor should be guiding you throughout this entire process and giving you the approval before you start pill cutting to make sure that you can. Some pills are actually dangerous if they are cut, okay? So that's why I say this. You really have to be mindful of this. But understand that pill cutters are the safest way to cut your pills. You can get these on Amazon or wherever else you want to get them. Small retailers, large retailers, you name it, whatever your choice is. Super easy, super safe. This is really important. Guys, let me know how you manage your pills. If you have to cut any pills, if so, how you do that. Write in the comments. I'm Dr. Jen Caudle, practicing family physician, on-air health expert, and video creator. I do daily health videos. If you've not liked and followed my page, I invite you to do so because you don't want to miss anything. For those of you who send stars, I respond to you personally. I cannot thank you enough. Guys, I'm Dr. Jen. I'll see you soon.